Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing and with another Remington product. There is a couple of reasons why I'm doing this video actually. I see this as a sneaker channel, and for you guys that are only after the review part, you can skip a couple of minutes because I always talk a lot. But I see this as a sneaker channel. I sometimes try to do car videos, but the people that are doing the videos for me doesn't deliver the videos. So my most popular video last year on my sneaker channel was about the Remington RX5. I'm super happy over that. Just a bit surprised actually. So that was my most viewed video. So I'm doing this for you. Not really, but so that's one of the reasons. And this product has been out since autumn 23, I think. Yeah. And there are a bunch of reviews of it. People really like it. So that also got me interested because I'm happy with the RX5, or was. I haven't used it for like 2 years. And people were really excited about the RX7. So I got curious. But now I have here, had it for a year now. Yeah, because January 23, I went to the barber, cut the beard and cut the hair to get a new start after the hospital. And for you guys that are new to the channel, the reason why I have here is because I'm hiding a hole in my head here, a big scar here, and a valve that goes in my brain with a hose that goes down there somewhere. So that's the reason why I have here. And I can make it look good with wax, etc., etc., but I don't. I wear the cap instead. And the reason now why I'm going to shave my head is because the insurance company that doesn't want to give me any money anyway say that if the scars aren't visible, they're not worth anything. So I'm going to cut my head. I have to borrow because I've given away all my hair product things or head shaving product things. So I had to borrow this one back from my little brother, the Quick Cut Pro, something that I really recommend. Really easy to use, really, really great. And got the new RX7. I have learned a bit about it already, what people like about it. There is a turbo button, which there also was on the newer Quick Cut Pro. I don't see any sort of reason for that, but there is a turbo button. There is a battery sensor right on it, so you can see how the battery is. They say that it feels better in the hand, but the main thing for me, because of my uneven head, with the hole and scars and valve, etc., is 30% more flexible than the RX5. Does it say anything about it? Yeah, it also does. So 30% more flexible, and that's what I need, I think. It will at least feel safer to use something like this. And I'm a bit worried how it will be with the hole, because I'm pretty sure that there is no trimmer that can go down there anyway. But since I need to do this, I found it a good reason to try the new RX7. And since I need to cut my head as short as possible to show the scars, this is the best product for me. I think it might even be the only product that I can use. So to the unboxing, I forgot about that because I've already seen so many videos, so I already know what others think about them. So here we have it. And as I said, it's been like 2 years since I used the old one, but it feels really nice in the hand. I don't remember complaining about the RX5 at all. But this, wow, it moves a lot. But yeah, it feels good in the hand. You see the battery power there, and the turbo button. Yeah. And this thing that I think nobody uses, but it is really flexible. So I actually do think that it will manage the hole in my head. Cool little bag with the charger, yes, and a small brush to keep it clean, and that's it. Instructions and warranty. Let's go and cut my head. I will not show it to you this time because I'm actually kind of, yeah, sort of ashamed about my ugly head now. So even after I've shaved my head, I will let it grow out again. So this will probably a one-time usage, and I will wear my cap all the time to not scare people. So this is as close as we get with the quick cut. You can see the valve here, scar here, and the hole here. And now let's go to the RX7 to get an absolutely clean shave. Warning for some sensitive images. It is really fast, works really fast. And I'm pretty sure that there is nothing else that could have done what this does. So it works really easy and fast. I don't want to complain about the RX5 at all, but when I see how tough the RX7 have with these uneven parts, I wouldn't even dare to try the 30% stiffer RX5. So if you have an uneven head or scars, etc. like me, this is the only one that you can use. And even this one had a hard time with this part, but otherwise it was just fine. So I would call this the ultimate test for an uneven head and a flexible shaver. I have already posted a video on Instagram and my DMs are going crazy. It's been a while. I can't even remember the last time I got so much attention. Yeah, of course, I will let my hair grow out again. People, before, when I have always had shaved head, people assumed that I did that because I was bald or had gray hair. Yes, I have gray hair, but I have had that since like school. And I have very thick hair. No shame at all about guys or women being bald. But I'm thankful now, especially when I have to have hair, that I have very thick hair that grows fast. So, as I said last time, a year ago, I shaved my head a bit earlier in January, but still January. And Easter, I had full hair, looked okay. So don't worry, it will grow out again. I'm satisfied with it, I'm happy with it, impressed with it. There is no chance that a razor blade could take those parts. Absolutely not. And I don't have the RX5, but this had a hard time, especially in the hole and in the scar. So a 30% stiffer RX5 couldn't manage it. I know for sure. And it feels good. It feels good. I will let my hair grow out again, but this feels good. It's been 2 years since I was clean shaven. So yeah, I got some burns, some skin burns in the neck. I should put some after balm there. Because tomorrow it will be red. But I used it, I really pressed it, used it long time. It says you should use like 2 minutes, and if you are used to using it, and you use it like once a week, 2 minutes will manage. But I haven't been shaved for 2 years, so I spent, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, not 10 minutes, but at least 5-6 minutes, and really pressed it hard, and took a lot in the neck. For some reason I focused on the neck and in the scar and in the hole. So I spent some time with it and no complaints at all. Very easy to clean, very easy, just like that. And as I said, I used it a lot. My whole head, just put it under the water, running water, and it looks clean. So very easy to clean. I absolutely recommend it, especially if you have an uneven head. So yeah, I'm happy with it. But I will let my hair grow out again. Now maybe this month or something to look good. I will use it a couple of times. But I just realized doing this during winter is maybe not the best time to do it. But I will let my hair grow out again. I absolutely recommend it. I recommend Remington in general. I'm happy with their products. I've been using their product for many years. But if you want a head shaver, this is it. And if you have an uneven head, this is absolutely it. Light, easy to hold. I saw some videos that a guy hold it sort of like this instead. It works, I'm guessing, but then it doesn't move. You see, not only that this flex, this whole part moves. So don't hold it like that. I don't understand that at all. It's really easy to hold like that. No problems at all. I think that's it actually. The Remington RX7, I think it's called something like XR1600 as well. Yeah. And if you charge it and use it 2 times per usage, it will last a month, it says. So up to 60 minutes power. Cuts down skin close results to 0.2 millimeters. Turbo speed, I completely forgot about the turbo speed. I didn't use that at all. So as I said, before even using it, there is no usage for that. Not for me at least. 100% waterproof. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I really don't like the way I look now. And I don't know if I said that earlier, but the reason why I'm doing this is because the insurance company thinks that I'm not worth anything and my pain isn't worth anything. And scars that doesn't show aren't worth anything. So I have scars, leg, back, stomach, yeah, everywhere. And then I assume that when I'm walking with a t-shirt, I'm not showing anything. So yeah, but that's another video for that. Remington RX7, I like the name, RX7. Cool color, green, something. I like it. Long video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as you do with the RX5. I will link to the RX5 and I will put it somewhere. I really hope this video will get even more views. So please subscribe, that would be nice. Thanks for watching. Good night.